brothers and sisters all, go on and stand up so tall. The world has never seen a thing like you. You got a smile to light up the dark. Send it out, let us feel your heart. I swear the world has never seen a thing like you. So let's dance the night away. Go on and sing what you wanna say. Sing it.
Happy birthday, Jethro. Enjoy your day.
So let's dance the night away. Go on and sing what you wanna say. Sing it.
Welcome to Jethro's birthday party!
Happy birthday, Jethro! Masayang-masaya kami at natuloy na rin ang birthday mo.
I wish Jethro na lumaki na mabait. Looking forward kasi kami sa ngayong first birthday niya at saka same time din niya. Hope he will grow up to be a good boy. Sana makasama pa namin siya ng madalas kasi siya yung unang apo naming lalaki.
Into the open wide. Watch the future come alive. This is our time. Lost in its prime. This is our time. Lost in its prime. This is our time.
Happy birthday, Jethro!
Jethro, yan ang pinaka-greatest gift sa amin dahil unang apo namin si Jethro. Ate Jethro, be strong in the Lord at lumaki ka nawa na malusog, matalino at masunurin sa mga magulang at sa amin. Lumaki ka na may takot sa Diyos.
Happy birthday, Jethro! We love you so much.
Sa aming anak, sa aming mga anak na si Cookie at si Joseph, thank you for giving us a bundle of joy in Jethro. Talagang nakita namin kung paano since nung college kayo, naging mag-on kayo for 12 years before you got married. And I pray na talagang lalong tumatag ang inyong pagsasama at mapalaki nyo yung aming apo, mahal na apo, na katulad nyo na matagumpay, at matalino, malusog, malakas, at may takot sa Diyos.
So, to Cookie and Joseph, alagaan niyo mabuti si Jethro. Palakihin niyo siya sa turo at saway ng salita ng Diyos at palagi niyo ipadama sa kanya ang inyong pagmamahal.
So ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause for our birthday celebrant, Jethro Kai Romotique!
Happy birthday, Jethro! We love you!
Happy birthday, Jethro. We love you so much.